So I said I will make a short video on the pattern that I use for these beanies. Every winter I draw up a new pattern, and I just throw them away afterwards because they are fairly easy to draw up and. But I decided, since I made the video on the beanies, let me post the pattern that I use. I updated this previous pattern that I drew up with a new one. The crown height is now based on the size of the head, so it's more correct, and I included this size table for medium, large, extra large, etc. So all of the measurements in the size table is now based on formulas that I used. The difference between this pattern, the old pattern, and this new one that I will upload with a video, is the crown looks much better now. So it's much more rounded now, and they all fit the head good, but you can see here this one is a little bit more pointy to the top, this part here. So I think for these sizes the rounding of the crown looks much better now. The pattern is for a large, so I posted for a large, and I used the measurements of the large. But I mean, I'm not. So there's no grading on the pattern. It's just a simple pattern that I drew up. But you can do your own grading, and you can just use the measurements here, and then you must test for yourself, because the heads differ from each other. The table is also for knitted and fleece, and I just kept it the same because it all depends on the stretch of the fabric. So knit has got more stretch than fleece, but it also depends on the quality of the fleece or the knit that you buy. Some knit has no stretch, some has a lot of stretch. It all depends on the quality. So you can test it out, all the different sizes, see what works best for you. Use this large because it's a fairly good fit. I did fit it on other people's heads, and it fits most large. This 50, I think it's a 58 centimeter head. So, but like I say, it all depends on the textile. If you want a snug fit, then obviously I think this pattern is good. If you want a looser fit, you can just maybe add 2 centimeters or so on the band here, and then the fit will be much looser. But it depends on the stretch of the fabric. So that is a huge influence, and head sizes are not the same as well, but you take the measurement basically just around the head here, and then it is fine. Yeah, so the pattern it's easy. It's an easy pattern to draw up. You can just copy it. If you do a 100% print out on an A4 page, there is a little a square here on the side for scaling. If your scale is right here, the scale of the large will be right here as well. And there is a 1 centimeter. There is a table here that gives a little bit of instructions, and the videos are there. But like I say, this is the pattern that I use. I'm going to post it there, then I can throw it away, and then next winter I will just download it again. But yeah, I think the cap looks nice now. The band is the correct width, so it is sort of an industry standard width. You can make it the band smaller if you want to. If you use knits, you don't need a folded band. You can just use a single band. It all depends on your preferences. You can top stitch here. Like I said, I don't top stitch a lot because it's only when I sell the beanie that I will top stitch. But most of the time I don't top stitch because these beanies are cheapies and I use mostly offcuts and I give them away for free. So yeah, but I think the curve is nicely done now on top. Okay.